Hi, today we're making a cupcake from sorghum flour, also called in Tunis droo. So you can make it as a cake, or you can make it the way I'm gonna make it. It's like a cupcake. The ingredient is we're gonna make a cup and a half sorghum flour, half a cup of flour, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of milk, half a cup of oil. The oil is vegetable oil, canola oil. And you can use blossom water or rose water, but it's better off blossom water if you can. And 1 egg. And that's the ingredient. So now I'm just going to mix all the dry ingredient together. And you can make you can put a pinch of salt. Mix everything together. So the flour and sorghum flour get combined together. Put it aside, and now I'm gonna mix all the wet ingredient. So half a cup of milk, half a cup of oil, 1 egg, and blossom water. The blossom water probably like 50 ml. No, that's too much. 25 ml. Or you can measure with a teaspoon, maybe like 4 tablespoons of rose water. Sounds better. This recipe is very easy and very tasty. And Tunisian, mostly they use this recipe for in the winter time. And the sorghum flour, you can find it in Arabic store, like the Middle Eastern store or Tunisian store. Um, Sometimes you can find it in a normal supermarket. Over here, I'm going to add another egg because the eggs, the one I have is small. If you have a large egg, you just put 1. Otherwise, if it's small or medium, just put 2. Because I noticed that it needed another egg. It's too small, the one I put in. Just keep mixing until everything combined together. The liquid mix it with the dry. It's gonna be like a cake batter. You can use the one I'm using, or you can use the electric mixer. It's up to you. Just keep mixing until everything combined together. See, this one you can make it in a cake, a normal cake size, or you can make a cupcake, or like individual cupcake, or just normal cake, just one size cake. It's up to you. Now at this part you can add any nuts you like, almond, walnuts, anything you like. You can add raisins or apricot, dry fruit, anything you like. Sesame seeds, anything you like. For me, I'm just gonna put some raisins. Now you can bake them, preheat the oven at 350 and bake them for 15 minutes or maybe like 20 minutes. You will check them. When you check them, you see the knife comes out dry, it means it's cooked. See, I put sesame seeds and I put some raisin. You can decorate it with anything you want. So just put it in the oven, bake it at 350. Here they are. I like them like this better, individual one. So I hope this recipe, you will like this recipe. And if you do, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.